Welcome to the Library Research Tutorial for AIT 678 National Security Challenges. This tutorial will introduce you to library resources and services that will assist you in conducting research for your midterm paper. In this tutorial, you will learn how to get help with research questions, how to find research articles related to national security challenges and solutions, how to locate e-journals through Mason libraries, and how to cite your sources. All the resources that I will show you in this tutorial are linked from the AIT 678 Library Guide online at infoguides.gmu.edu/AIT678. First, let's discuss how you can get help. My name is Tina Adams, and I am the Distance Education Librarian for Mason. I am available to answer your questions related to library research and services. You may email me at tadams11@gmu.edu or call me at 703-993-4038. I am also available via chat on Mondays from 3 to 5 p.m. Mason Library's chat service is available from most of the library web pages. At times that I am not on chat, there are other librarians manning chat who can assist you. In addition, you may want to contact your subject librarian, Teresa Calcagno, at tcalcagn@gmu.edu. Now let's discuss the best resources to use to conduct your research for your midterm paper, which asks you to assess the implications and potential impact of one of the national security challenges covered thus far in the course, and to provide one or more feasible technological solutions to the challenge. The main resources we will focus on for this paper are article databases and journals. In this section, we will learn how to search for articles, find full text, and request articles if the full text is not available online. To find current information for the national security challenge you have identified, it's important to search in article databases. Article databases search across a huge collection of journals all at once. Depending on your topic, many databases may be appropriate. For a full list of the resources suggested for this course and links to these databases, visit the AIT 678 Library Guide online at infoguides.gmu.edu/AIT678. If you are not sure what database to search for your topic, read the database descriptions to help you decide. The databases that are particularly appropriate for many of the security topics in this course are ScienceDirect and Compendex. ScienceDirect is one of the largest sources of scientific, technical, and medical full-text research. Compendex is a database that covers engineering, computer science, and related technologies, and includes full-text access to the National Technical Information Service research reports, compiled by the U.S. National Technical Information Service. Let's search the article database ScienceDirect. Keep in mind that although different databases may look different, they can be searched in much the same way. However, keywords that work in one database may not work in another, so be flexible with your search terms. As an example, let's search for articles related to information technologies that can be used to combat bioterrorism. Type in information technology in quotes to search this as a phrase, and add bioterrorism. We get hundreds of results. We can limit these results by choosing only to look at journals by clicking on the journal's limit and clicking the Limit To button. If we wanted to limit further, we might also consider using some of the limiters along the left side, such as the topic filter or the date limiter. Let's take a look at the result, a framework for agroterrorism intentions detection using overt data sources. You will notice this is a current article from May 2013 from the journal Technological Forecasting and Social Change. The article is full text, which means we can access the full article here by clicking on the PDF link. Let's click on the article title to see more about the article. Here's the full article. Let's take a look at the highlights to see if we would like to use this article. From the highlights, we can tell that this article deals with providing a framework for reducing agroterrorism-related risks. It focuses on intention detection using data sources on the web, and looks at integrating the early detection intelligence cycle to prevent agroterrorism. Keywords that will be useful for finding more articles related to this topic are agroterrorism, cyberterrorism, authorship attribution, digital shadow, and text mining. To save, print, or email to ourselves, click on the More Options menu. Now let's try the same search in Compendex, Engineering Village. Type in information technology in quotes to search as a phrase, and bioterrorism. We only get 36 results, but they all look very appropriate to our topic. Let's look at the result, Information Technologies for Civilian Bioterrorism Response. We see an abstract that gives us an idea of what the article is about and when it was published. This is an older paper from 2003, so that may be too dated for our purposes, but if you decided you wanted it, you would need to look for the full text access. In many cases, the full text of the article is available directly. However, in some cases, you may not see a direct link to the article, but instead you will see the green Mason link button. This means the article is not available directly, but may be full text in another Mason database. Click on the Mason link to check for availability. In this case, the article is available full text online from IEEE Electronic Library. Click on the link to access it and then browse to the full text or Get PDF link to access the article. In some cases, when you click on the green Mason link button, you will get a notice saying, "Our link resolver cannot find an online copy of this text." This means that the article is not available online. Click on Request a Copy via Interlibrary Loan to request it. Now you will be asked to log into ILLiad using our Interlibrary Loan system. Log in using your Mason email or Patriot Web username and password. If this is the first time you have logged into ILLiad, you will be asked to complete a contact form, which will be saved for your next visit. If you are not directly dropped to the article request screen, click on the article link under Place an ILL Request to fill out the request form. Click on I agree with copyright terms, submit request to complete your request. Your article will be delivered online into your ILLiad account. You will receive an email once your article arrives. Article delivery usually takes 2 to 3 days, but can vary depending on the article. In some cases, you may have a citation from the bibliography of an article or a book, or from Google Scholar, and you would like to find the full article. Use the eJournal Finder to locate the electronic full text of Mason-owned journals, newspapers, and magazines. Let's use this sample citation. We need to note the name of the journal, Information Systems Journal, the year of the publication, 2012, the volume, 22, issue 4, and page numbers 313 to 341. Next, we'll go to the Mason Library homepage and select the eJournals tab. Then type in the journal name, Information Systems Journal. We need the year 2012. Note that the journal is available from 1996 to present in Wiley-Blackwell Journals Online. Click on the link to access the journal and browse to the year, volume, and issue that we need. Now that you know how to conduct research, it's important to know how to ethically use what you have found so that you do not plagiarize. So what is plagiarism? Plagiarism is using someone's exact words or another person's ideas without giving credit to their work. You must always cite your research. This is important because it shows that you have done research and are aware of the scholarly literature on your topic. It also allows others to consult those sources that you have used because you've followed a standardized citation format. This gives your readers the ability to locate the information on their own, and it ensures that you are giving credit to other authors' works or ideas which you have used in your paper. Need a refresher on APA and MLA citation styles? Here are examples of APA and MLA citation for both a book and an article. For links to all the resources discussed in this tutorial, including links to the APA and MLA citation guides online, visit the Library Research Guide for AIT 678 at infoguides.gmu.edu/AIT 678. Want to learn how to collect citations and create easy bibliographies? Check out the Zotero Quick Start Guide to learn more.